Here is my car. Here is a fence. There is house. There's my parents' house. There's some cars. Nifty, huh? Anyway, back to the car. Here we go, around the car. And around the car. Around the car again. And it's not painted yet. And that's with the ugly wheels on it, or hubcaps, that's all they are, they're not wheels. And we'll back up here, whoop, fall into the grass. And there's the car. Pretty nifty, huh? Car with New Mexico tags on it. Neato, huh? And here we go, whoa, around the car again. And all the way back to here. And down along the side. And jump in. You wanna go to the lake, Ziggy? Probably not.
Did record, right?
Yeah. It's real simple.
Yeah, I know, but it's not. Is it no?
Let me see.
Green light. The green light's gonna dim.
Yes, Daniel, you're recording right now.
So it's got to
Stupid.
dim.
Well, pause it now.
Okay.
What the fuck? I don't know what I'm doing. Crank up the lawnmower. What you doing, boy? This is Ziggy. You got junk on you, boy. Here you go. Are you filming it, Dale? Yeah. Ziggy, what do you have to say? Can you hear that? Fart. Fart. Say something.
No, hold on.
You can't hear it? Let's go to the lake. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you just fine.
Oh, gnarly, you're fat, Daniel. You're fat. Well, let's go to the lake then. Turn it off. Canoe off all by yourself.
Sure.
Well, lift it off. I want to see this.
Sure.
There, and we're going to go out over and through there, and on around here. And there's Daniel again. Right. Yeah. There's where we're going to leave the keys. There's the wabbit. Get steady here. There's the wabbit. Let's zoom in on the wabbit. There's your micro deal here. Okay.
My bunny boy. My bunny boy.
There's the
Are you
wabbit.
filming? Are you filming? Huh?
Yes.
She's my little bunny boy. My little bunny boy.
Say wow.
He likes this. I'm playing with it. Yeah. Woo!
You're not playing with you, beating up on it.
No, I'm just going like this from the bottom. Yeah. Hi, my bunny. Uh-oh. Push your foot down. Push your foot down. Bunny.
Let's get old Sam.
A second. Oh, Romeo.
Zoom in. There, boy, ain't you, Sam? Oh, look what we found in the yard. Let's zoom in a little bit closer here. David, look what I found. Please, Green, too close. There's Sam.
The marker.
Either
You're too close.
What you doing, boy? He's hopping.
Here, come dance with me,
He's a hopping
Sammy.
dog.
Come here.
Hold on.
Dunsy, 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 dunsy.
You're choking him, Corinna.
No, I'm not.
You
You
moron.
can stand up.
Boy.
Hey, Diggy.
Ah! I think he's going
Get back
to
on.
use that purple thing over there.
I said.
Hello.
Get out of here.
Hello, said Mr.
It's
Smith.
still in the camera. Go ahead, get it.
Use your boo-boo.
Oh, Lambo.
I can't run. Come on, Diggy. Girl. Yeah.
That's it, yeah. Rusty's got fleas. Little
That's
Rusty
good.
has fleas. Fleas!
Rusty. Oh.
Hey, let's show him my club. Come on. Let's go see my club. How it is. Look what I found. I found a beetle eating dinner.
You found a what?
A beetle eating dinner. Now where?
This what looks like rocking on Corinna's swing. Woo! 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 Ah!
Yes, sir. It was very kind of you to cross out my name.
Wee! Wee! There's Doug. Way over there. So we focus
Hey,
him in a
Doug,
little
look
bit.
at the camera. Hey, look.
Get Corinna.
Dun, dun, dun. David, look what I found. I found a way, an easier way.
That's automatic, like. Oh. There's Doug with my canoe on top of it. Over the creek. Full.
Oh, my neck's back.
Ow. Ow.
Ow. Ow.
I landed on it. Where y'all fall down an owl tree.
Whoa! Uh-oh. Ah!
Jam it up here.
Let me down.
No.
Let me down.
You gotta do perfect. Wait, let me sit on there. David, wait. Let me get down.
Where's Ziggy?
No, wait. Daniel. David. David. Quit being a stupid idiotic
Ziggy.
jerk like a leader, bro.
Ziggy. Look. Hey, Ziggy.
What are you
I
doing?
see you, Ziggy.
Hey, Ziggy, come here.
You act like a moron.
No.
See, look at David's nuts hanging out.
Hey, don't close up.
It looks stupid.
Hey, Bob. How you doing?
Bob, whatever. Two goobers on a swing.
Hello, David.
What?
Hello.
Just playing with it.
Hi.
Shut up, Ziggy.
Ziggy sees Bud.
Bud.
Ziggy.
Ziggy and Bud.
Ziggy sees Bud. Bud sees Ziggy. Big
Boom.
fight between Bud and Ziggy. Oh, this is fun. David, David, don't. Wait. Whoa! Watch out, watch out. Wait, your thingy came undone.
What? It's falling! Oh no! Ah!
I had to fix your thing. It was falling.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Can't
Put your
see.
head up.
This is what it looks like once a nuclear bomb goes off. There goes the nuclear power plant.
No, no. Come back here, dog.
No. Something bit me when I was...
Hello, everybody. I am the Shadow Man. I'm just hanging out right here. I'm standing in the trees right now. I might even notice that. Hey.
Hurry up.
Rusty's behind the bush. Rusty. Come on out, Rusty. We see you. Oh, yeah. There you are. See if we can spot Rusty. There she goes. There she goes. Right now. Here's Toto. You moron. There's Doug playing with his car. Ziggy. Ziggy! I see you! I see you down there! Squish your head! Squish your head! I see another doggy! And you're gonna squish your head! Squish, 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 squish your head! Squish, squish! Squish, squish, squish! And Ziggy, straight down. This is a straight line. And I'm gonna squish your head! Squish your head! Squish, squish, squish! Being like a doggy should be. But what's this? Squish, 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 squish. Oh, went a little wild there. So we focusing in. Sam's just laying around. This is Sam's typical day. Just watching the sights. See that little puppy. See that little puppy sitting in the grass. I see that little puppy. First came Indieville Horror. Now comes the house down the street. Ah! Ah! Yes, it glows in the dark. It glows in the day. We don't know why. Tractor pulls are so exciting. You're missing out on all the fun. Today, we're watching on ESPN doggy pulls. Yay! Our first contestant. Let's stop for lunch. Come on, dog, move. Come on, Ziggy. Alright, he's going back the other way. He might be disqualified. No, he's going for it. He's pulled it 1 inch, 2 inches, a total of 6 inches. Can he do more? Whoop. Came in, went the wrong way there. He goes going in a different direction. There you go. Yeah, exciting. And he stopped for a breather here. Maybe an inch. Yeah, maybe an inch. Let's leave right back there. Yeah. Okay. Let's have a moment of total silence. And he's going for it. And he goes. Could it be a record of 6 feet? Yay!
Watching it burn, right?
Uh-huh. No, actually, I'll pick my nose.
Really?
See? That's a hooger right there.
Don't be smart. This might be shown to your great-grandchildren. You know? What are you doing? You filming this?
Bird.
This is. Good.
Black.
I know it is.
Some curly fries.
Trying to do it too fast.
Some
Come show the
dough
ones that
and
aren't burned. See the ones
Okay.
that aren't burned?
they look pretty brown to me.
Not these. Corinna, those are hot. Get your hand out of the way.
There's pork chops and green beans and there's Aunt Jemima standing back there.
Go on.
There's some salt. There's brat. What's that, Bo? Just a laying around. Hey there, Rusty. Yeah, there's Mimi. What? Oh, I don't know.
Nobody here. What are you filming?
You?
You tied it on there?
It's just holding down. Let's zoom in on them puppies. Oh. Okay. Before he gets that painted. There's a little dirt smudge. There's another little dirt smudge. Turn that dirt smudge right there and there. The pink one. Is it? Yep. No. Is it a picture one? Doug's car with a canoe on top. In the mud right there.